What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. I'm bringing it back old school for my golden nugget family. That's right, the Gnog family. People that watched me back months ago when I was making these golden nugget videos. And I think it's time, guys, for my golden nugget family that still watch the golden nugget videos, that we're going to bring out the old good luck charm. You guys been commenting during the live premieres. You commented on the golden nugget videos, and that's right, the good luck charm is back. Now, we're going to do a little toast for Gnog, and we're going to see the market's been kind of coming out of this, bear market, man. It's been a crazy bear market, but the bulls are slowly starting to come out of the bullpen, if you know what I'm saying, and the bulls are running down the streets chasing everyone off of it. That's right, the bulls are coming out and chasing everyone down the streets. I think it's in Spain. But the bulls are running, and people's running from the bulls because the bulls getting out of control. And that's what we're going to hope is going to happen with Gnog. We're going to cover some information that is out there and just kind of put it all out there. The good and the bad about Golden Nugget right now. There's an article out there I want to cover with you guys. But wanted to come back one of these great intros for all y'all, man. We got the Mad Dog. So if you have a drink, I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Go grab your drink, guys. Go grab your drink. And if not, pause the video at this point and toast a drink with your boy, with the Mad Dog. That's right. And we're going to drink to good times in the stock market. That's right. We're going to do it like nobody else and have a toast. That's right, guys. Because you know why we drink Mad Dog? People's like, Terry, why are you drinking that cheap liquor? Why are you drinking the stuff that's like $3.95, $4.95? Because that's more money to invest. I'm not out here looking to buy $50 bottles. I'm not out here looking to buy $100 bottles. I'm buying a $5 bottle that can make me last and keep more money in the market. That's smart investing. Smart investing, guys. That's right. So if you enjoyed this intro, please hit a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like it, dislike it, just so I know whether to do these kind of things or not. Then my regular viewers kind of love these kind of cool intros. But let's go get into some golden nugget action, guys. All right, so real quick, we're just going to go over the Robinhood, look at the chart of everything. Stock price ended today here on June 10th at $13.95. Looks like we were down 2.89% during the day, and after hours we did gain 1.16 of it back, so not bad. If we look here at the 1 week, we're up 5%, 5.68%, so not bad. Looks like we had a high here of $14.79. And right now we're at $13.95. As you guys see, man, I still got the same exact shares on the Robinhood. 110 shares at an average cost of $13.14. I just plan on hanging on to these. Once this price can go up a lot higher, I might start doing the covered calls. I'm just not liking these option dates right now. I don't like how they're so far apart, about 3 to 4 weeks apart. So I'd like to see this get into weekly options. That way I can start selling covered calls. And I can start doing the wheel strategy like I've been doing on CCIV. Real excited about that. Got some great premium in this week. Got one more day in the market, and I'll be fully getting all that premium that I collected on 2 covered calls that I sold this week on CCIV. Getting about $150 or something like that, so not bad at all. Looking good to collect that money. I'd like to start doing that here with Golden Nugget as well. So guys, let's get in here and talk about this article that's out. And let's just kind of do a quick summary of everything in this article. All right, guys, there is this article out right now on the Seeking Alpha. This was published back on May 25th, so I'm a little behind bringing you this update, but I think it is kind of key to bring it out. Golden Nugget Online, the key is market access. The summary of this article. Gnog beat Q1 revenues, estimates with 54% growth. The company signed 2 additional market access deals to reach 12 states now. Now that there, to me, is phenomenal news that we got 2 additional market access deals to reach 12 states. They also have here, Gnog expects to enter 7 additional markets by the end of 2022 after just entering Michigan, opening just their 2nd state. So that is pretty phenomenal as well. The stock trades at just 6.8 times conservative forward sales estimates despite 50% growth in sales. So that there is kind of the key points. We're going to go down here now and kind of cover a little bit more. He does in this part here, this paragraph here, he's basically saying how for him, Golden Nugget was a disappointment. And he was saying how the SPAC did collapse when it was back at $10 and how the company fell. But I think that's kind of not fair in a sense because, I mean, yeah, the stock was up to $26 and it was down here to 12. But I think pretty much all them stocks pretty much had a collapse. It wasn't just Golden Nugget. The company has been performing great. Here you can see some great information. They are expanding their market access. Gnog continues to trade. Yet the company plans to expand markets from 1 state to the start of 2021 to 6 by year end. In addition, the online gaming company just added deals in Colorado and Iowa to bring the total market opportunity to 12. Guys, that is phenomenal news. We're looking to get in Colorado and Iowa. So that there to me is truly, truly amazing that we're looking to get there. And down here it does say, after launching the iGaming in Michigan back in January, the company expects to launch in West Virginia and Virginia in Q3 of this year. That's right, both Illinois and Pennsylvania will be added during the Q4, bringing the total market to 6 after ending 2020 with $91 million worth of revenues from just the New Jersey market. The company expects to add Colorado, Iowa, and Louisiana markets in 2022 to bring the total to 9 markets in less than 18 months from today. Other states and even Ontario are looking to rapidly expand online gambling options, whether iGaming or sports betting. So down here he kind of does go into a little bit of the numbers. I don't need to blur all that out to you. I mean, I think the numbers are pretty phenomenal myself, but you can go in here and check out this article. They did report a loss of $3.5 million on the quarter due to additional spending for going public and ramp up in new states. So basically they went live in Michigan, guys, so it did cost them money to compete in Michigan. So they had to spend some money on competing in Michigan. And I think now they're starting to get pretty good grasp of everything in Michigan. So I think, like I said, each state when they come out, it is going to take a little bit to get everything going. So here in his deep value part, he does talk about how he says that the market still favors DraftKings, the sports betting leader, aggressively markets to new states, leading to substantial losses, which is true, as we know. DraftKings is losing money like crazy right now. It says DraftKings has an $18 billion market cap and a forward PS multiple of 15.5. Even Rush Street, with similar growth as Gnog, trades with a forward PS of 5.8. So here it does say, as Gnog enters 7 new markets in the next 18 months, the company has substantial revenue upside. Despite the online gaming company delivered $91 million in revenue just in New Jersey, analysts have 2022 revenues at just $191 million. The company easily matches this revenue with Michigan alone providing similar opportunity in New Jersey last year. So takeaway, the key investor takeaway is that Gnog remains cheap stock at $12.50. The company has substantial opportunities, expanding from just 1 state when the year started. Investors should use weakness to load up the stock. So he was definitely saying at $12.50, you should be loading up this stock. As you can see, I bought this stock back in like July of last year at $13.14. And here we are 11 months later, and it's only $13.95. So I'm just looking to hold this for basically this point, long-term capital gains. I'll get that year on this, and I can start doing those covered calls, and that'll help me on taxes if I am forced to sell it when it gets a certain price. For me, I like to see this get up closer to $20, and then I would like it to start having weekly options on this. Then I can start doing the wheel strategy because I'll sell a covered call, guys. I'll just run over this real quick with you guys if you're not familiar with it. So you go to Trade Gnog Options, and right now I would be selling a call because I do own the 100 shares. And you can see the next expiration date is June the 18th. And if I would sell it at a $15 strike price, I would get $23 in premium. Now, on that date, if it is more than $15, I could be forced to sell those shares to whoever's on the other end accepting that contract. So what would I do come the following week? If I sold my shares, I wouldn't get them back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell cash secure puts. So that's right. I'd come back in and sell a put. And what I would want to do is come down here and get it at a cheaper price. So I would want to come down here like $12.50, and I would get that premium of $8. So that's kind of how you do it. You just keep coming back in lower, and if the price goes below that, you're forced to buy it at that price. So if it dropped to 11, I would still have to buy it at $12.50. But you just keep doing that process. You sell your covered calls. If you're ever forced to sell it, you can go back and sell cash secure puts and get them back at a lower price. And that is the plan I plan on doing, guys, with this. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go down below, leave a comment down below, hit that like button, really helps with the channel. And if you'd like to subscribe, if you want to see more of the MD 2020, like I said, leave a comment down below as well. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, join the thumbs up nation, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.